Ladies and gentlemen, Keith from I Repair Autos, and this video is in response to Salt Life Gull, a subscriber from Florida who wrote, "Love your videos. My 2002 ML500 right rear window stopped working after changing out the battery. Advice? Where do I go to get this diagnosed? I trust you, but not these mechanics. Thanks a mil." Subscriber from Florida. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, put the car position 2 ignition on, and then we're going to go down to our iCar soft scanner, select Benz, go down to the 164M class, gasoline engine, left hand, and I'm going to go to the ML350. I'm going to go to manual select. I know exactly where I want to go, and I'm going to go up because it's at the end of the list. And I'm looking for the SAM. If you're experiencing any errors or any issues with your windows, the first thing that you need to then do is check the read fault memory to see if there are any errors, which would tell you further if it's the window motor, if it's a relay, or if it's the SAM. So I went to the SAM. Rear power windows, see that? Rear power windows, and the rear power windows, left window position, rear right, rear left, rear right. Okay, so over here I'm going to go to my rear right, and when we touch the switch we get in the data stream rear right window position, we see the position changing. That indicates that we're getting data from the SAM. The SAM's working, the switch is also working. If the switch was not working and the SAM was not working and the motor for the window was not working, we would not see any movement in any of these window positions. Moving down to the next page, we see that we have the data stream showing us the power window switch readouts. So you would actually go to the back seat of the car and manually press those switches to check to see if those switches are also working and sending data to the data stream. That's how you would check the individual switches on the doors, because the door switch itself could be at fault, even though that your master switch on your driver's door is working. You need to check these individually as well. And that's what this page shows here. So hey guys, this iCar soft scanner that you see in the video is pretty much what I use when I want to look at DTC codes and other things that a typical regular OBD type 2 scanner will not show you. Take a look at the link in the description below. Help support the channel and get this tool today. Thanks.